Today I'm going to show you how to get started decorating sugar cookies with royal icing. The first thing you'll need is a great sugar cookie. If you don't have a good sugar cookie recipe yet, check out my episode 1 for the perfect sugar cookie recipe, which you're going to love and want to use for all your decorated cookies. The next thing you'll need is a great royal icing recipe, which I show you how to make in episode 2. So be sure to check that out. Today we're just going to do some basic outlining, flooding, and a few details on just a basic heart cookie. When you're just starting getting into cookie decorating, you don't want to try to make it too complicated at first. You just want to stick with the basics. First thing I'm going to do is fill the icing bag. Try to squeeze the icing as you push it down. Start by pressing the tip to the cookie, and then you kind of let the icing drag behind. And make sure it falls right there close to the edge of the cookie. You can stop wherever you need and start again. Flood it pretty much right away before the outline icing starts to dry. You want to try to apply even pressure throughout the whole cookie so that you don't get any craters in the icing when it dries. I like to add a little extra right in the middle to prevent that as well. And you can drag the icing where it needs to go to fill in all the holes. Also, just kind of run your scribe tool or your toothpick through it to try to get out any air that might be in there. So it's good to fill up the cookie just where the icing's kind of puffing up over the little outline dam that you built. Now here's one where I put a little bit too much icing in. You can see it's starting to drip over the side there. So you want to catch those before they dry too much, and you can just scoop some of that icing off. Scoop it off and put it in a bowl. And then spread it back out so it's even. And now you're going to want to let them dry for about 15 minutes before you start adding any more detail. Enough time for a song.